What's the meaning of careerism? Careerism. Careerism.
Careerism. Careerism. Careerism refers to the practice of pursuing one's career goals at any cost, often at the expense of one's values and principles. It involves placing one's own interests and advancement above all else, prioritizing personal gain over the greater good. The result of careerism is a workplace culture that values individual success over collaboration and teamwork. This can lead to a lack of trust among colleagues, a toxic work environment, and a narrow focus on short-term goals rather than long-term vision and strategy. Ultimately, careerism can hinder organizational growth and stifle innovation.